What is up, YouTube? We are back with another banger video. It is like 6:30 in the morning. Holy moly, it is cold. It's like 40 degrees. We're gonna be going down for a shoot for the merch. No, I'm so hyped for this. This is something that we've been planning for a while. We have one design that we're gonna be teasing today. No, I'm super excited for this. Besides it being like extremely cold, I think I'm more excited than cold, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, the place we're going to, it's about 20 minutes away, so it'll be a decent ride. Probably not anything crazy. Everybody's, you know, going to work and all that other stuff. But we're gonna be going down to a really great spot. I've been there like probably once, but for a shoot wise, I think it'll be sick. Man, to the people that ride in the winter, if you guys are watching this video, I don't know how you do it. It's so cold. Like, as much excited as I am and hyped about this shoot, holy dude. Like, I'm shaking over here. It's freezing. It's like 43, 44. No, it's so cold. The scary thing about this shot, no, it's not really scary, I guess, but the thing about this shot is we have to do it perfectly at sunrise, so we have like a 20-minute gap. So if anybody's late, or if, you know, if somehow we can't get into the place, it's gonna be a little weird, I'm gonna be honest. Over to the YouTube thing, I think my last video I said that it's probably gonna be my last video just because of, you know, how cold it's getting. But I guess we just kind of have to play by ear, because we have a ride planned for tomorrow as well with one of my boys. Keep your eyes out for that one. I think that'll be a sick ride. We might go out and learn the wheelies tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. Oh man, this entire episode is just me complaining about how cold it is. Gotta get like a portable stove right here, warm my hands a little bit. It's cold. And we got my girlfriend right behind me, just so when we get to the shoot, I can warm up a little bit in the car, you know what I mean? On to a different topic. What do you guys think about the new bikes, the new 2026s? Yeah, the CF Moto. I know there's like Gixxer and everything like that, but I guess kind of like the more hot topic ones. The CF Moto and the new ZX10r. That looks like a ZX6R. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Not too sure where to go, I'll be honest. A mini bike over here would be crazy. Just absolutely drag me over here. Okay, so, oh, that's the parking lot. Oh man, we gotta get all the way over there. That might not be doable. let me figure it out real fast. So yeah, that's a dirt path. I don't really want to be going up that, I'll be honest. Parking lot's right there. We're just gonna chill there for a second and wait for the wow! Oh my lordy! Well, parking lot's right there. We're just gonna wait there until the photographer shows up. I have no idea where we're doing the shoot at. Okay, let's go do some off-roading. He said, don't use my front brake. Bro, who needs a supermoto? Just buy an S1000. Honestly, oh yeah, there's the bridge. Okay, I don't know exactly where he wants to be at. This is so pretty, let me tell you. There's so much fog over there as well. The wood is like frosted over with how cold it is. Slip and fall. Please don't slip and fall. Got everybody waking up early to come to this. Alright, let's get the shoot done. And yeah, we'll see you guys after the shoot. Alright, let's get going. Very slowly. I'll go slow. It seems like a lot of the frost is starting to go away though, because of the sun. There is still a bit of frost right here though. It's not bad. Alright, well, that was fun. We ended up going over to that pavilion right there. Getting up into it and doing some shots. I'm really excited for those. I think they're going to come out a banger. Look at this view. It's absolutely stunning. There's a little bit of frost on the what is this called? Wood. Yeah, that's what it's called. A little bit of frost on it, so it's like just a little bit slippery. But overall, I mean, it was a beautiful time. It was really great. The photographer, I'll throw her up on the screen. She was also there getting some banger photos. So I appreciate everybody that did come out to this. So thank you so much for that. But yeah, let's mob home. Let's actually go grab some gas real fast because it's a little low. Alright, super funny story. This is part of the same video. I know it seems like a completely different time, because it is. So, my GoPro apparently didn't have the right settings. I didn't have my GoPro, I had it set to night settings still. GoPro set to night settings, and when we were leaving the photo shoot, it was still on night settings, right? So it just seemed crazy overexposed. It literally looked like there was like a 9 million lumen flashlight just straight in my camera. So yeah, not ideal. So yeah, came back out to kind of finish the rest of the video. Funny, super funny. We're meeting up with a buddy right now. We're not going to do any crazy riding. He just got off of work. But we're going to go check out his new to him 2025 ZX10r. He bought it off of some kid that crashed it, whatever it might be. He rebuilt it. It looks amazing, honestly. But we are going to go meet up with him, and we're just going to go check it out. We're going to do a little bit of riding because we both head the same way. So, just ideal. You know, Utah weather, you gotta love it, because it went from like low 40s this morning, frost everywhere. It was still a beautiful morning, I'll be honest, and it's like high 60s right now. It feels so great. I've definitely missed this kind of weather, that's for sure. You know, I'm not a fan of ZX10s, but this shit's fucking clean.
It's clean.
Dude, I fuck with this.
It's not in that ugly Cali green.
There you go.
That green one's about to pull up.
Is Seth pulling up?
He said he was on his way from Riverdale, then I checked his location.
When you getting an exhaust?
When I could afford one.
Which one are you looking at?
Austin Racing.
Oh, that's right. Alright, well, we met up with them. His buddy decided to meet up with him, so they're gonna go ride. But yeah, I mean, overall, it was a great day. Definitely very cool, very, very blessed to be able to do the things that I'm able to do. But to actually wrap up today's video, because this is our second attempt at doing this, anywho, to wrap up today's video though, once again, I appreciate everybody stopping by. Appreciate everybody supporting the channel, all the social medias. Just a reminder, everything's gonna be up on the Instagram for the merch drop. So, super hyped to be able to launch that to the public and let you guys get some fire merch. I will see you guys when I see you guys next. Peace!